Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. As we're doing this video, you're probably watching maybe my get ready with me while I created this look, reviewing the makeup I used, the makeup I got yesterday. So I did get 2 packages here. One, I was like, I don't know what this is. So I didn't tell anyone what was going on, but I signed up for Glossybox and I canceled it, and then I signed up again for last month. And I guess I canceled it after the 14th. And so they charged me the regular amount, but I had signed up on the 1st. And when I signed up, I didn't see any charges on my credit card. So I was like, oh, I'll sign up again because I want this month's box, right? And last month it was really good. So anyway, I signed up again on the 1st, thinking, oh, if I get 2 boxes, not a big deal. But, you know, I waited, and didn't see the second charge come up. So I don't know if it ever did. I have to go through my account. But anyway, I emailed them and I'm like, so why did I get 1 box? I canceled. As soon as I got the box, I canceled the account again. I'm like, I don't understand what's going on here. And they're like, well, you canceled and we can't send you the other one. I'm like, huh? So I used a code and then I used credits. So I was like, well, what do you mean I can't get another one? You should be, you should be only charging me this much. And they're like, no. What happened was you canceled after the 14th. So you're still getting this month's box at regular price. Plus then you bought a second box at a discounted rate at like I think it was $9 American, so about like 13, 14 Canadian. And I'm like, what? And they're like, yeah, now we can't send it to you because you canceled. And I'm like, okay. So they refunded me, I think. I can't remember now if they completely refunded me, but anyway, I got an email. They gave me back my credits. So actually, I think they gave me more than what they should have. So anyway, I got an email a week ago or this week saying, hey, we couldn't ship you your box, so here's $5 in credit. I'm like, you guys, whatever. So I got this in the mail. I'm like, and it says here, I'm not going to actually show you, but it says THG, and that means the Hut Group. So I was like, oh, I canceled my Look Fantastic, as you guys have probably noticed. No, I haven't even got a shipping notification, so it must have went through, and I was in a 6 months. So anyway, I got this, and I got this, and I got another one of these. But I opened this up. I went out for a little date with my friend from work. We went down to the cafe. My second one. They're so good. So anyway, I got one of these, and I got one of these, and one of these, and I was like, whatever. At this point, I'm not even going to argue. These are really nice. These are Canadian. It's by a company named Rebel. So I gave this one to her, and they have little skulls, and she likes skulls stuff. So I was like, try the formula. If you like the formula, then maybe we can order the skull ones, right? So yeah, anyway, so I got the eye cream boost, and I actually really like this dry shampoo, so I'm definitely glad to get another one. So I got that. I think I paid maybe $9 for those 3 things. I'm not 100% sure. And yes, these are worth $9 all on their own, so I was really glad to get that. And I have like now $25 in credits, so hopefully I could get the what is it called, the Advent calendar. My brain stopped working. So I did get a shopper's bit of a haul, so I'm going to show you here. This is going to be a future video. Might be tomorrow, might be sometime next week. And I only ordered 2 things. And look at the size of this box. Yesterday, one of one of the other girls that does YouTube, her name is Lisa, she shared a photo within her group of an order she placed at Sephora. And somebody went and took that photo, found the order number, message Sephora saying she did not get her palette, I moved, and blah blah blah. And Sephora was saying, oh, okay, we'll send you a new one, no problem. And she got the emails with this sent to her, and she reached out and she's like, you already sent me my order. So Sephora is looking into this. They canceled the order. They found out who it was. It's hard to believe that someone would do that. So you won't see, I'll be making sure that my stuff is always covered. Okay, so I'm going to go over with what I bought. And then some other things. Okay, so I was talking one day and Luke says to me, do you have any makeup that covers up your birthmark completely? I said, no, I used to. There is makeup out there. It's very heavy duty. It's more made for movies and sci-fi and little things like that. And he's like, well, why don't you? And I was like, well, I know it's really expensive. It's really thick and it's cakey. Mind you, I haven't tried the stuff in about 10, 15 years. I know my kids were really, really young when I had it last. It was a lot of work. It actually almost turned me off of makeup altogether. So I've done what I've normally done. When I was a teenager, I used to just kind of go under and I wouldn't put any on it. And then when I got to be an adult, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just the same as everyone else. I'm just going to put it over. And does it look like I'm hiding it? Maybe. Sometimes in some lightings, I guess the foundation does diminish the look of it. So people are like, I don't know who you are. And it's like, really? The giant red thing right there is not, you know. So, with it being said, I picked up Dermablend. Now this stuff is really expensive. Not as expensive as the Guerlain. So this is $45. Okay. The full coverage concealer stick is $28, so it's right here. That is a concealer stick. So, when you bought those two items, you got a free brush valued at $30. I will say, I'm going to message shoppers about this. And yes, this is free, but if somebody paid for this, this is not acceptable. I will take it because I got it for free, but I want them to know that the packaging is doing this, and that if somebody bought this, this would be very disheartening. Yeah, alright. So I didn't buy the setting spray or anything like that. I just want to try out the makeup and then I'll go from there. So there's almost $75 worth of stuff. And then I bought these heel patches to go overnight. I have very dry heels, and like I said yesterday, I did like the mask and all this, so I kind of wanted to try these. These are from OK. Now I think this is like $6.99, so I just needed a little bit more to go over my $75 so that I could get something for free. So I got all these samples from Shiseido. Okay, why did I think it was somebody else? I like Shiseido. It is a really nice company. So I have tried, oh, it's got eye, it's got ultimate, oh, that's neat. Okay, so it's got a little bit of everything there. And then I got these Florga, reverse eyes, lip structure, and time flash. Those were all free. And then when you spent over $75, which I did, you got this Beauty bonus starting September 5th. Go through it. Okay, just to start. That is cool. I didn't know there was a bag with it. Oh, and your makeup brushes go in here. Oh, that's so cool. I love the color. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at all the freebies in here, guys. So the first thing I see is Physicians Formula Rose All Day. Multi-use highlighter for a skin perfecting glow. Okay. I'm going to give that a try. I really like the rose. I'm a big fan of roses. Even though all I do is kill them. Glam Glow Youth Mud, Vitamin C, which I already have. Lancome Genifique, Biotherm Aqua Power, number 7 Cecilia Rescue, Skin Paste. Ooh. That's as close to whistling as I ever get. I don't whistle. Oh! Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Elizabeth Arden. Ooh, I think I might try these. Sorry, Mom. I might have to try them because my mom loves them. Okay, so we got Biotherm Hydro Serum, Moisturizing Concentrate. Ooh, Vichy Shampooing, Thickening Shampoo. Ooh. Sugarful, Michael Jamin. Ooh, okay. So Scandal, Jean Park Gaultier perfume samples. La Roche Posay. Okay. And then I got the Night's Repair, which I've had this a few times already. I don't know if I've used it. I can't really remember, so. Okay, so what else is in here? La Vive Juicy. Oh, precisely my pen. My brow pencil. Oh my gosh, does it get any smaller than that? Ultra Hair Defying Tip. Hair Like Strokes. 12-hour natural wear. I mean, where's my piggy? I thought these were tiny. Oh. This isn't even a full size, I don't think. Okay. Oh, I've never snuffled. Oh, I got a BB cream from Marcel. 12th to the 25th. Okay. Okay, so then I got Neostrata Retinol Overnight Peel. That's neat. Oh, there it is there. I got Clarins Double Serum Hydraulic System. Oh, okay, so it's 2-in-1. The Language of Youth. It's a legendary dual bottle. Okay, that's neat. Origins, and then Urage Biotherm Sisa oil. Helps prevent, corrects, and softens. Okay, so did I go everything? This has 2 in it. I mean, way to go for a Physician Formula. This is a small company and it's handing out full-size items. Or sorry, not a small. It's a drugstore brand. I imagine that they don't make millions. Well, maybe they do. I don't know. But I don't really have anything from them. But hey, good on you for putting this in the bag. Or good on shoppers for putting one. Benefit has got to be one of the most expensive companies I've seen. They come out with the cheapest, or not the cheapest, the smallest stuff. Like, seriously. You wasted more on plastic and cardboard than you did on product. No wonder our landfills are filling up. So there's a few things here that I'm not very, it does say it samples as your gift when you spend. Plus a quote offers inside a $20 value, which I did get. Okay, so here it says $110 value. Okay, so here's the thing is that it does show a bottle of this, a small thing of this, and the rest it is correct. But now, if I'm correct, let's see here. Where did I see that? No, sorry, that's the shampoo. Okay, there it is there. Don't show a bottle. Show this, right? And this is... It's just a tiny sample too. I have no idea where it is. I mean, this is nice. This is nice packaging, but a little wasteful. Okay, you don't need all of that. I'm gonna sparkles all over. Okay, so... Where is it now? Oh, there's another tiny sample. Okay, so anyway, the bag is actually kind of nice. I mean, not kind, it is gorgeous. And it does say Shoppers Drug Mart on it. And it is kind of very in-your-face yellow, but I like it. I like that it looks so unassuming, and then you open it up and it's like, bam. Anyway. Okay, so I'll give out some of these samples. I'll probably be throwing some in bag. Other ones I will keep. I'm gonna throw. So I do have the between September 12th and the 25th. If you spend $75, you get a free quote plus bonus points. You get 15,000, so it's $15. If you spend $125, you get 30,000, which is equivalent to $30 plus a $20 free quote bonus. It says before taxes and after redemptions. All coupons, discounts are deducted in a single transaction to earn 15,000 PC points, bonus points, and a free quote. Okay, so I think this is only in store. Okay. Well, whatever. Sorry, I'm going to give this a try out tomorrow. And I'll give this a try out. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys kind of giggled with me on this. Because, like, seriously. Wow. You pull out all the stops benefit, don't you? Whoa, it is a ball. That's crazy. You are crazy. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.